Solana, SOL, is on fire as it hits a new all-time high of $262.93, leaving crypto whales and enthusiasts stunned. This incredible feat raises the question if SOL could hit $500 or new ATHs as the bull run looms post-election. Solana benefits from the positive market sentiment surrounding the potential SEC approval of a SOL-based ETF. This development has sent shockwaves through the crypto market, igniting a rally that's pushed SOL closer to a new record. As Solana steps into the spotlight, the JetBolt surge continues, backed by its adoption of innovative zero-gas technology. With over 66 million tokens sold, JetBolt has positioned itself as a next-generation altcoin in the market. Let's dive in as we discuss the Solana price predictions and why the JetBolt surge continues. New all-time high for Solana. Could SOL hit $500 next? Solana, SOL, has officially broken records, reaching a new all-time high of $262.93 today. Currently trading at $262.30, SOL has surged 8.6% in the last 24 hours, capping its new record. SOL price chart showing Solana reaching new all-time high price of $262.93 based on data from CoinGecko. This monumental milestone comes as Solana rides a wave of momentum, having climbed from slightly above $212 to $262.93 in just 7 days. The rally underscores investor confidence in the network's high scalability, ultra-low fees, and robust infrastructure, positioning Solana as a serious contender to Ethereum's altcoin dominance. Solana's ecosystem growth is equally impressive, with the network achieving a staggering $318 billion on-chain transfer volume, $11.26 million in daily network fees, and a total value locked (TVL) of $8.42 billion. These metrics highlight Solana's rapid adoption across DeFi, NFTs, and GameFi, solidifying its place as a strong presence in blockchain innovation. External price predictions are becoming increasingly ambitious, with a handful even suggesting SOL could target $500 in the near term. However, achieving a near-2x surge would require unprecedented adoption and growth. With a relative strength index, RSI, of 68.58, Solana is edging closer to the overbought zone, signaling that its recent bullish momentum could face a potential slowdown or correction ahead. As Solana sets new benchmarks, the crypto community is abuzz with speculation. Could this be the start of a bull run? Meanwhile, JetBolt is also making waves with revolutionary zero-gas technology and hot pre-sale. 66M tokens sold, JetBolt's pre-sale is the talk of the town. A wave of next-generation altcoin like JetBolt is stealing the spotlight. JetBolt is a potential contender that's captivating crypto whales and the Web3 community with zero-gas technology and intuitive, user-friendly features. At the heart of JetBolt's innovation is the implementation of revolutionary zero-gas technology. By completely eliminating gas fees, JetBolt is not only improving efficiency for users but also breaking down barriers that have long hindered crypto adoption. This isn't just a win for individual users, it's a game-changer for the broader ecosystem. From dApps and socialify platforms to blockchain systems and other Web3 projects, the removal of gas fees could ignite a new era of innovation, accessibility, and creativity. JetBolt isn't just about technical breakthroughs, it's also redefining the user experience. Its interactive staking platform offers an engaging and possibly rewarding journey for users of all skill levels, transforming traditional staking into a user-friendly adventure. Adding to the excitement, JetBolt's pre-sale is turning heads with daily price hikes and over 66 million tokens already sold. Early adopters enjoy exclusive perks, including up to 25% discounts through Alpha Box bundles and when making batch purchases, making it a hot opportunity. By blending cutting-edge technology with a user-first approach, JetBolt is breaking traditional blockchain boundaries and establishing itself as a unique player in the market. As it continues to gain traction, crypto whales are paying attention, eager to explore opportunities that offer technological edge. Final thoughts: could Sol hit $500 as JetBolt's surge continues? Solana's new all-time high of $262.93 marks a historic milestone, cementing its status as a key contender in the crypto space and altcoin race. However, with an RSI of 68.58, Solana may be approaching overbought territory, hinting at a potential slowdown or correction in its recent bullish momentum, perhaps thus making a $500 target unlikely in the near term. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button for more content like this.